Hey everybody, Deborah Corn, the Intergalactic Ambassador to the Printerverse from Print Media Center, here at the Artsy Couture booth, because yesterday, when I was walking around the show, I found something really cool at this booth. It's called the Canvas Click Frame. Why is this? First of all, it took me a few minutes before I got the value proposition of it, to tell everybody the truth. But now that I do, I'm fully invested in this. It is a almost idiot-proof way for anybody to get into the canvas frame business.
Absolutely.
Okay, so we're going to do a demo of it in a second, but tell us about some of the conversations you've been having about it with printers.
So you have the traditional stretch canvas that we've been having for, it's been around for so many years. And we wanted to develop a product that could be easy to manufacture, could be easy to create, as you say, almost foolproof.
Right.
But we have it in a retail environment, you could do it at home, you could also do it within a printing environment as well. So the smaller printers, they want to create this offering.
Right.
So then this is the product for them. So it can go through a sheet-fed printer, just a simple desktop printer. We're also developing the roll-fed solutions as well. So we're looking at those options to give to them. And it's just a very, very simple product. Looks great. Impossible to differentiate between the traditional stretch canvas. We also have the option, obviously, to have it a tabletop product, or you can mount it on the wall. Yeah. And it's done in minutes, seconds even.
It actually is, and I was trying to put one together, and I was doing it wrong because I actually did it backwards, but Kate's gonna step in and show everybody how freaking easy it is to put this together.
Perfect.
Ready to race?
Kate, are you ready? We're racing, right?
All right, let's do this.
Okay.
Tell me when.
Ready, steady, go. This is where I fail.
I've never done this before.
And this is why they're taking over the printing business.
There we go.
Ta-da!
I was almost there.
It's amazing. I mean,
Under pressure.
There we good.
absolutely incredible.
And let me help you out here, friends.
Thank you.
Here's the corner. You can just go right back in there, tuck that guy in, and there you go. You're fixed. It's fixed in seconds.
Can you actually change the image out too and keep the frame?
Watch this. This is really cool. Take this guy right back off, and you just tear off this canvas.
Amazing. Well, this is why you're getting the Unicorn Award, and I'm giving the horn to Simon, who's going to put it on.
So I put on the Horn Award.
Yay! Come here, Kate.
It's the best I've looked today.
Congratulations to Artsy Couture and the Canvas Click Frame, and everybody here should check it out. They sell them in bundles of 10 and 50, and you use them, you get more. It's American made, it's shipped in America, which means that the supply chain issues are minimal, the shipping issues are minimal. Check them out, they're worth it. Thanks, everybody.
Perfect. Thank you.